The Yamuna River in New Delhi, considered to be one of the holiest rivers in India and also one of the most polluted. A recent study has found the Yamuna is choked by high levels of pollutants. Waste from nearby factories mix with the water here, making this river a dumping ground. The fact that the Yamuna is polluted is not new, but a recent study has found that vegetables which grow around its banks are also getting contaminated. Farmers who plant their crops here say they have no choice but to use groundwater for irrigation, and the chemicals in the water seeps into the soil, making vegetables like these highly toxic. Vegetables like spinach, cauliflower and radish are grown on farms like these, and a recent study has shown that these vegetables contain a high level of toxic chemicals such as lead, cadmium and nickel, depending on where you are all along this 22-kilometer long stretch. Cadmium causes cancer and lead causes damage to your motor skills. And here's where it gets tricky. At markets like these, sellers mix vegetables from the Yamuna with other local produce. There's no way of identifying them, and customers buy them unknowingly. Despite that, traders we spoke to maintained all their vegetables were safe to eat.
We've heard of some contamination in vegetables, but we don't believe it. And secondly, since we buy them directly from wholesalers who come here, we don't really know where they actually come from.
The sewage.
Activists like Manoj Mishra have been fighting to get the Yamuna cleaned up for years. He's repeatedly asked the government to study the effects of these chemicals on vegetables which are grown here. But he says little has been done about it.
Yamuna in Delhi is nothing but a long drain. That's the first thing. Government has certainly tried under the Yamuna Action Plan to create certain infrastructure, but obviously that infrastructure is ineffective. It's not working. Government has not done nothing to get the flowing river back.
Over 57 million people depend on the Yamuna for their water, and 70% of Delhi's water supply comes from this river. The government department we contacted has refused to talk to us about this issue. Back at the banks of the Yamuna, farmers wait for next season's harvest. No one really knows how much of their produce will be contaminated and where it will end up. Prerna Surya, Al Jazeera, New Delhi.